Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, let's talk about some big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can buy low and flip for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Come over to my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. It looks like this. You can join under my link tree down below. It's free to join. Come share a bolo under the featured share post, and I'll feature your bolo in a video like this. Check this out, guys. Bought a storage unit recently, and the main reason I purchased this storage unit was I could see a clear tote filled with Hallmark ornaments, and I've been doing well with them. I figured anyone who has that many Hallmark ornaments likely has a few great ones. I'm all in on the unit at 300, which included U-Haul and dump fees as of this post. I've got $1,800 listed from the unit and 1,025 sold. I had a few really good ornament pickups to share from the unit. First, to keep an eye out for would be event ornaments, as some of them are very rare and valuable. So this looks like it is a Hallmark 2011 event ornament, sweet snow mouse cookie cutter. Christmas tree ornament. Where does it say? Oh, 2011 event. Wonder what that means. Sold for $299, you guys. Wow. Wow, wow, right? What did it retail for? $12.95. I love it. Here's another one. It says event up in the corner. Look how cute this is. Hallmark Miss Claus's Cupboard 2012 event. Another type to keep an eye out for is Miss Claus furniture ornaments. I had several in the unit, kitchen stove covered, and they all sold for $70 to $90 a piece. Oh my goodness, look at the little pipe. That is stinking adorable. Finally, here's another Hallmark ornament to keep an eye out for. This was a $1.99 Goodwill pickup, and it sold really fast. It is a Star Trek movies Hallmark ornament that needs the needs of many. 2015. Huh. I don't know if I would have known that that was Star Trek. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see it better. Huh. $79.99. Check it out, guys. Who's selling Hallmark? This one is WTFD. I buy. What the flip did I buy? This one, if you're ever outsourcing and you happen to take a look at books and you see very niche books, look them up. Was at an estate sale where the lady was into botany. I picked up a lot of books, with this one being the crown jewel, but I had a few other books, all in the $30 to $80 range as well. I probably paid like 40 for a large stack of books, as well as the LL Bean jacket. They had kind of priced up. So in total, I've got maybe a couple of bucks into the book. Sold it for an offer of $135 in one day. So it's a botany book. Fisher Price Loving Family Dollhouse. I always part these out, but you can definitely bundle them. I actually had a Fisher Price Loving Family sale on Whatnot that did really, really well. So if you guys get a whole bunch of these and you sell on Whatnot, you can actually have a show just selling the pieces, right? I think I was starting my items at $5 a piece on Whatnot. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, $65 if nothing else, if nothing got bid up. But some of these items I'm guessing would have sold for more than 5. I'm Bolo Buddies over there. I do mostly jewelry, but I've done Fisher Price, like the little people. I think I've done what 2 or 3 toy shows. I've done Goodwill bins videos, did pencil sharpeners recently, an egg show recently. You can sell in pretty much every category on Whatnot. If you'd like to check it out, I do have tutorials, Whatnot for beginners. $15 to shop if you use my referral link to join. That's to buy on the platform. And then there's another link after you join to be a buyer. You can come back and use my referral link to be a seller because you do have to request to sell and be approved. So they do offer a perk if you use a referral link from a seller, and my referral link's down below. So if you want to check out the tutorials, if it's a good fit, and you don't have to do live auctions, you guys, you can just list into the buy it now if live selling's not for you. Another item to get your eyes out on different platforms. Fisher Price Loving Family. Most I picked up is a random toy bin at a yard sale for dimes. Sold it in a week. Didn't get it mailed till 12/1, so I'm counting it. Thrift Wizard on eBay and Summer Rich 85 on Whatnot. So Summer Rich 85. Cool. on Whatnot. If you guys aren't on Whatnot, check it out. Follow Summer Rich 85, and Cat Feel and Thrifty shared the next one. She is also on Whatnot, so give her a follow. She has beautiful vintage jewelry night on Wednesday nights. She said, I love vintage purses, and they will pick them up when they are $10 or less, as long as they are in nice condition. I list and forget. It sold for list price of $45.50. Look how gorgeous. Delicate beaded black purse handbag, gold with flowers. And I know Kat is doing this, Geek Nurses Treasures, Lucky Day Living. We are all cross-posting our items to Whatnot now with List Perfectly. List Perfectly added Whatnot to their options of places you can cross-post to. I've got a tutorial on that as well. If you're not on List Perfectly and you want to check it out, I do have a tutorial on that. I always say watch the tutorial first, then come back, use my referral link, use code bolobuddies, all one word, to get 30% off your first month, and the referral link down below. Chatta, I don't know how to say that. Some sort of textbook. Set of 8 American history. Check it out. Look at Kat buying the weird. She said, purchased these about a year ago at a yard sale for $5. List and forget. Woohoo, sold price listed. Always a surprise when you sell something you forgot about. $94.50 on that. Vintage Ragstons 90s silver Penka. Oh my goodness. Bala Gondon brooch, 8 charms, 3 inches wide. I have no idea. Look at that, you guys. Picked this up, strange looking brooch up at an estate sale. Got it for $5. Thought it was weird and kind of ugly, but sometimes that sells, and it did. $83.30 on that. Isn't that weird? That's a weird one. This one's mine. I just thought it was beautiful, and I knew it was antique and different. I was able to Google Lens it and found out this is called a curb link bracelet. It got a bid right away, ended up selling on auction for $71. And that is what it looks like. It's got the old clasp on it. It's just beautiful. Very ornate, right? Super gorgeous. $71. Express jeans. You guys remember when I used to do the videos and I sat in front of what looked like curtains and you guys were like, thought they were curtains and they were all jeans? Those are all now listed on eBay. Some of them are on Poshmark and Mercari, and I even put some on Whatnot in my buy it now. So they're selling anywhere between $48 to $60 a piece. I bought these years and years ago, probably, I don't know, 10 to 12 years ago. And I quit doing clothing. So they've just been sitting. And guess what? Now these styles are coming back in style and people want them and you can't get them anymore because they're retired. So nice little bolo, right? Super excited about that. I think I have probably 80 pair listed. This one is a Ben Amun vintage Amun or Moon. I'm not sure how to say it. Rhinestone drop necklace. I got this for $5 on Whatnot from Geek Nurses Treasures. And I love buying from her shows on Saturday night. She has gorgeous items. And I did take an offer on this because it came in quick after I listed it. And I'm like, you know what? I've got $5 in it. I took an offer of 45. So went for the quick flip on that. Bought it on Whatnot for $5 and sold it for $45 on eBay. The next item is this Metropolitan Museum of Art. My husband picked a bunch of stuff up from, I can't remember if it was an estate sale or a flea market or something, but or maybe it was an online auction. I can't remember. He buys all kinds of stuff for me, but he picked this up with a bunch of other MMA things. And I've got some other ones listed, some really cool stuff, but sold it for $185 best offer, and the buyer paid shipping. This one here, I picked up at a little like antique shop, and I sold it overnight for $100. Literally listed it and it sold so fast for $100. Check it out. It is Silpata. I love Silpata. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one is a little bit harder to find. There's my sterling test, acid test. And there it is. Silpata. Very cool, right? Quick flip. This one is Rudolph from the Misfit Island. I got this from Dealmaster Kim years ago. She sent me a box of goodies just because she's a sweet person. And This was one of the items she sent me, and I ended up taking a best offer of $50 for this. But I do buy things from Deal Master. This is before she was even on Whatnot. But now she's on Whatnot. So I go over to her shows and I have been picking up some good deals, flipping them for profit. I recently got a stuffed animal from her. I think I paid $3 for it. And I've got it listed for over 100 in my eBay store. It's definitely a collectible stuffed animal. So you can definitely grab some deals from her. So again, use that referral link down below, guys. Get your $15 to shop and go visit Deal Master Kim. She does toy shows that are incredible. She'll bundle them up and sell just like a big old bundle. Super rad. So she is fun to watch also. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you at a Whatnot show. Come see me, guys. Come say hello. Say I'm from your YouTube channel.